Hi guys, welcome to our channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified of our next videos. So I included this in our bag painting series because this is basically how to organize, and my husband assembling the shelvings to make the hobby room organized, because look at how it was before. Everything was so cluttered, everything is everywhere. It's just some of them are even outside the hobby room. So yeah, he initially planned it first, from scratch, and then he estimated the cost, and it looks like we will be spending more if he build it from scratch. So we ended up going to Ikea, and we're supposed to get this one, but it's not available. So we got this. This is just the 2 levels, that's the one he's starting with. So there's 3 of that, and he just put it all together to fit in one wall. So anyway, I'll just let you watch the video, and towards the end you will see how I organized everything. I put all the bags in order, and you can see how many bags I still have to paint, but really the time is not always there. But if you can notice, it looks like we're gonna do online selling, and who knows, maybe in the future we will do that, and hopefully 1 or 2 or 3 of you guys will be interested in ordering one, and yes, we can be in business. No, well, you never know, maybe. So yeah, so you will see at the end, like the bags, all of them. I mean, most of them are not signature bags. I mean, they are branded, but they're not very expensive brands. And yeah, so the one that will make it expensive is the fact that it was painted with love by myself. So yeah, that one, that purple bag, I gave that as a gift to one of my bosses, and yeah, it was her birthday. She liked it because it's her favorite color. So the rest of these bags, yeah, I'm still thinking what I'm gonna paint these bags. So if you can give me suggestions, please feel free to comment. That's a very huge bag, by the way. And this, that's a Steve Madden bag. That's a London Fog bag. And this one is an Aldo bag, that brown. And that Coach bag is mine. So anyway, so yeah, just comment what you can suggest. Oh, by the way, that sunflower bag is for Maristella. And this is the face bag, my very first face bag that I painted. And I don't see the bag of my other coworker. But anyway, thank you guys for watching.